Hello everyone. Hope everybody is doing really well and we're all keeping safe. Well, the topic of discussion today is how do we handle criticism? I wanted to talk about this topic because I recently got a DM asking for the same, and I thought, okay, this is a very nice topic to talk about, and let's make a video around it. So two things to begin with. The first one is that, see, this is a very broad topic and there are so many ways to handle the situation. So what I'm going to talk about today would be the three cardinal rules, so to speak, which we can remember always, and they'll help us get out of the situation. So that's the first thing. The second is that see, it's very subjective. What falls under the category of criticism is very subjective. What do I mean by that? It means that what might come across to me as criticism might just come across to you or someone else as a feedback which has a negative connotation attached to it. So, like I said, it's very subjective. And there's a very fine line. There is this fine line which divides these two categories, and this fine line is something which is felt, which is sensed by the recipient of this interaction. So this is also very important for us to understand. Now, having said that, let's get down to how do we handle the situation once we're in this situation. The first one would be, of course, we handle it professionally. There are two ways to handle it professionally. The first one is that we should always we should always avoid to retaliate in the same manner we are being spoken with, particularly emphasizing on the tone. I really want to emphasize on the part of the communication which falls under the category of managing your tone, because see, the person who's providing you this feedback or this criticism, his tone is going to be very different, and of course, because you've sensed it, you can understand that this is not the tone that you're comfortable with. So the first thing would be that you as a recipient, you do not respond in the same tone. Okay, so that's the first point, that you need to avoid retaliating in the same manner. The second way to handle it professionally is, sometimes it so happens that the person who's delivering the talk falls or rather gets carried away and starts making personal comments or personal attacks. Now, in this situation, you have got to be very tactful. You have to try to bring the conversation back to the professional front. Okay, you have to talk in a way that it just comes back to the work part of the conversation, and not deal with the personal life of yours. So how do we do that? Well, there's a very fine way of doing it. You can always say, when you're asked to speak, you wait for your turn first, and then when you're asked to speak, or when you see that now is the right time to speak, you can always say that, see, I see the problem here, and I'd like to think about what you're saying. Okay, and I also would like to think about a solution, and I would like to speak with you later on. So maybe talk after lunch, or maybe talk after whatever time you feel you're comfortable, and however much time you need to ponder over it and get back in the zone. Okay, so that's the way we handle it professionally. the next very important thing is that we need to handle it politely. Okay. Now, when I say that we need to handle it politely, I am not saying that you become submissive. No, that's not what I'm saying. See, it's your workplace. It's not some family setting wherein there are so many variables. No, if you're being criticized for something, it certainly would be around the it would certainly always be around the work aspect of your life. So in that situation, you always have the right to ask. Okay, so and it's also we need to understand that we're not always criticized by our seniors. There are times when our colleagues criticize us. There are times when our subordinates criticize us. So you always have to remember that you have the right to ask. So if it's the colleagues or the subordinates, you ask for clarification. Why do you think that whatever you're saying is the right thing to say? So you ask for clarification politely. And if it's your senior, you always ask for assistance. Okay, after the whole conversation has happened, you ask for assistance. So that helps in first of all handling. That will help you to handle the situation much more professionally and much more smartly. So I hope these tips will help you, and you'll be able to better manage the situation when you ever feel that you're being criticized. And because it's not a good place to be in, it's a very difficult situation, and we all need to come out of it with grace. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Do let me know, and take care till we meet next time. Have a great day ahead, everyone.